Tired of guessing how much inventory you really have? Let's get your Peachtree 2013 inventory tracking streamlined in just a few simple steps. First, navigate to the Inventory and Services Navigation Center, usually found on the main screen. This is your Inventory Command Central. Click on the Item and Services icon. This will bring you to the list of all your existing inventory items. Now, to add a new item, click the New button, typically located at the top or bottom of the item list window. This opens the Maintain Items window. In the Item ID field, enter a unique identifier for your product. This could be a SKU, part number, or any system that works for your business. Make sure it's easy to understand. Next, type a detailed description of the item in the description field. Be specific, include size, color, or other distinguishing features. Then, assign the appropriate GL sales account. This is critical for accurate financial reporting. Select the revenue account where sales of this item will be recorded. Move down to the stocking unit field and specify the unit of measure for this item. Is it sold by the piece, box, or gallon? Now, click on the Beginning Balances tab. This is where you'll enter your initial stock on hand. In the Quantity on Hand field, enter the number of units you currently have in stock. Also, input the unit cost. Finally, click the Save button. Congratulations, you've successfully added a new inventory item. Repeat these steps for all your products, and your Peachtree 2013 inventory will be up to date and accurate.